Are you looking for the best indoor cycling bike under $300? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best indoor cycling bike on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness Pro. If you are looking for a best affordable indoor cycling bike, then Sunny Health and Fitness Pro bike is for you. The bright gray and red color of this cycling bike surprised us. It is a very low-priced indoor bike but yet durable trainer. We love this cycling bike because it supports invigorating workouts. The Sunny Pro Indoor Cycle is a great choice whether your goal is strength training, weight loss, or preparing for outdoor rides. The feature we like most is a 40 lb flywheel that offers smooth and quiet operation. You can easily affix SPD pedals or other standard road bike pedals too. And the best part is you can purchase this Sunny indoor bike under $300. It has fully adjustable handlebars and seat for user compatibility and comfort. No matter what your fitness goals are, the heavy-duty steel frame and crank of this cycling bike add great durability and quality to go the distance. For easy setup and hideaway, it has total portability feature with transportation wheels. This best indoor cycling bike offers all the necessities that are required for an amazing indoor cycling experience. Number 2. Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike. If you are looking for an indoor cycle under $150 that will get the job done for you, then this Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Indoor Bike is for you. The unique design of this top upright bike provides more comfortable and effective workout. It is very easy to get on and off the bike and supports up to 300 pounds. It has advanced features including the magnetic resistance, high-torque 3-piece crank system, pulse monitoring system, and a double-drive transmission system. All these features are included for a very reasonable price. You will also get a large easy-to-read LCD display that indicates speed, time, distance, calories burned, scan, and heart rate monitor. This exercise bike also provides quiet and smooth operation with the accuracy-balanced flywheel and the V-belt drive. It will not hamper with listening to music or watching TV. Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike is easily adjustable to fit 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 1 inch user heights. It has large seat cushion for people of any size. When your workout is finished, this bike can be folded up easily and moved easily with the included transportation wheels. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness SFB 1002. This Sunny Health and Fitness SFB 1002 bike is made of sturdy steel frame that gives this bike a rock-solid build. It provides a smooth and quiet riding with the maintenance-free belt drive system. The quiet belt transmission increased by the heavy-duty 49 pounds flywheel and steel frame and crank that make this bike very stable and sturdy. This Sunny Health and Fitness bike features a fully adjustable seat, handlebar, and easily adjustable resistance. Its weight capacity is 275 pounds. The resistance system provides the experience of real road feeling. With this adjustable resistance system, you can make your workout more intense and burn more calories. You can easily adjust the seat vertically and horizontally. The handlebars can be moved up and down to adapt to any size of people. Pedals are built with toe cages to keep your feet in place. This indoor bike is equipped with a nice metal bottle holder. The transportation wheels make it very easy and simple to move. Number 4. Marcy Foldable Indoor Cycling Bike. The Marcy Foldable Indoor Cycling Bike is the ideal space-saving cardio exercise machine. This bike is designed with a versatile seat that allows quick height adjustments. You will get full control with the basket cage and gripped pedals, which will help to avoid feet from slipping during workouts. This Marcy Foldable exercise bike has a good manually adjustable resistance that helps to perform various degrees of workouts. Easy screen interface tracks your exercise progress. It is a solidly built cycling bike with 14-gauge steel. That means it will last for long and will provide dependable cardio bike. This Marcy Foldable Upright Exercise Bike has also counterweighted pedals and adjustable foot straps. It also comes with adjustable foam padded seat to give you a hassle-free riding. And when you are done with your cardio exercise, you can easily fold it and store away.